All right, we're running around looking for triple tail. Come across all these birds doing their thing right here. So I think it's either little trout or gaff tops. Let's see. I think you're gonna find out pretty quick.
Oh, I have one.
Uh-huh.
That was.
Oh, there he was. Yep, they're right there in front of the boat.
That one.
Yep. Little trout.
They're all. Oh, man.
Uh-huh. Oh, man.
You got one?
Yeah. They're right back there.
I'll put us in